Hey BYD, set the screen to landscape.
Okay, setting the screen to horizontal.
Set the screen to vertical.
Okay, setting the screen to portrait.
What's my average consumption?
That seems a bit beyond me.
Tell me a joke? Hey BYD?
Hi there.
Hi, show me the map.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey BYD, deactivate all assistance functions.
Unfortunately, I can't help you with that yet.
Aha. Oh no.